This is Jonathan from Pipe Locating and Televising Service, and I'm conducting a video inspection of a roof drain at the Orland Square Mall. This is the roof drain that goes down through Foot Locker and that has a leak at the joint just below the cleanout. We have pushed the camera in from the roof and we dropped just about straight down, and we could see the cleanout at the bottom, and then it made a 90. And we pushed it in roughly 30 feet or so. We went around 2 turns, and because of the size of the pipe and the elbows, we've pushed about as far as we can go now. We're noticing the pipe is very clean, no debris in the bottom elbow, and that's where I was expecting there to be something. I see the roof has been worked on up here, so they took all the pea gravel off, and I thought maybe pea gravel got down here, but this is a good clean pipe. Alright, we'll start pulling back. Now, one thing to notice is it looks like a moisture line about halfway up the pipe. So it looks like, at least at this point, that this pipe only gets about a half of pipe of flow. My theory is, with the water falling straight down from the roof, that it's just slowed down by these elbows. This is the second elbow. Looks like a 90 degree. And there's just a little bit of what looks like old tar maybe laying in the bottom here. And that was just a small little piece, or small little section. Alright, this is now that's the bottom 90. So that's looking straight down now. And then that is the clean out, and that is visible from the storage space in the Foot Locker. And then it's just a matter of being straight up. So yeah, we pushed in about 30 feet. And again, with the size of the pipe and those 2 elbows, it makes it difficult to push very far. But we're seeing that the pipe is really clean and in good shape. So my theory is that hole has been there for some time, but maybe had oakum still sealing it until, you know, how old is the mall? 30, 40, 50 years old. You know, over time it finally wore out and the water pushed its way through. My guess is with the rain cascading down this pipe off of the roof, then hitting those elbows, that it probably creates a little back pressure and the water finally forced its way through. Oh, here's another inlet. So another roof drain is tied into this. Go in a little bit. Right there on the left. So that's probably why this is such a big pipe, is you've got more than one roof drain tying in here. Interesting. Okay, so that would account for even more water going through this actually looks like it's a 5-inch pipe here, 5-inch roof drain. But this must be picking up other roof drains as well and tying into the vertical pipe.